Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I would like a table for 4, please.
Of course. Please follow me. Here is a table for 4.
Thank you. Could you give us the menu, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Can I get you anything to drink?
Just water for me.
I'll have a lemonade.
I'll have a milkshake.
I'll have an orange juice.
Great. I'll be right back. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are. I'll have the grilled chicken and a salad.
Would you like a starter, sir?
Yes, I'd like the vegetable soup.
For starter, I'd like the vegetable soup. For the main course, I'd like the grilled fish.
I'll have the chicken soup and a lasagna.
I'll have the chicken soup, the grilled chicken and some salad.
Excellent, I'll be right back.
It smells so great.
I am so hungry and I want to eat, but the soup is so hot. I can barely touch it.
Wait for it to cool down before you eat it.
The grilled chicken tastes delicious. Doesn't it, Paul?
Yes, Dad, it does, indeed.
What about your lasagna, Amy?
I love it, it's my favorite dish.
Great.
How's your fish, Mom?
It's excellent. I'm so glad we came to this restaurant. Could you please pass me the salt, Paul?
Here you are, Mom.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was wonderful, thank you.
Would you like something for dessert?
Yes, for dessert, I'll have ice cream, please.
I'll have the chocolate cake.
I'll have ice cream.
I'll have the cheesecake, please.
Everything looks great. Let's eat the desserts.
Dad, I'm thirsty. I would like to drink some water.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Could you bring my son a glass of water, please?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Can I bring you anything else?
No, thank you. Just the bill.
Okay, sir. I'll be right back with the bill.
Hey, how about the video? If you liked this, just click on the subscribe button of our channel. So, do you want to learn more to improve your English quickly and effectively? I'm happy to introduce the best-selling English course to you. Over 20,000 people learned and can speak like a native speaker. Wow, that's amazing. Let's see how this course can help you.
Logos is a very intensive spoken English course in the form of a cartoon, designed for people who are tired of learning the language from those boring textbooks and listening to nerdy teachers. It was created for people who want to finally learn to think in English and to speak it fluently, just like their native language. You think it's impossible? We'll prove you wrong. This course begins with the most basic things you need to start speaking, and it gradually goes into the intermediate level towards the end of the course. And the best part is, you start speaking instantly, right from the first lesson. Isn't that cool? And make no mistake here, this is not your supplementary short course. This is a full-blown course that guides you from the very basics of the English language to the intermediate level, step by step. 100% of the lesson is speaking in a form of a dialogue. You listen, answer and ask questions, and immediately see if you've made a mistake. And if you did, nothing to worry about, because you will repeat every grammar construction so many times later on that they will all be recorded directly in your brain without drowning you in the grammar rules. Where it's necessary, you'll be given very clear and simple explanations of essential grammar. And at the end of each chapter, you will take a milestone test to check your progress. You will learn over 1,000 of the most important English words and phrases. And by learning, I don't mean memorizing. I mean learning in such a way that you can use them effortlessly in your speech without thinking. Each lesson you'll be hearing and saying over 1,200 words. That amount of language practice is enough to make you a fluent speaker in no time. And just imagine how many more job opportunities you will have with fluent English like this. And this course is a must-have component for you if you're planning to take IELTS or TOEFL tests in the future. So, if you want to stop speaking English like a potato when traveling, studying, or when talking to your business partners, this is the right course for you. Buy it now for this special promo price before it goes all the way up. And with the 30-day return policy, this is a safe bet.